Home screen. Once logged in, you are taken to the home screen. This is your starting point, and you can always return here at any time by clicking on the Home menu at the top left of your screen. The home screen is divided into two parts. On the left-hand side, you can see the 5 key questions from the new CQC standards under the headings Safe, Effective, Caring, Responsive and Well-Led. You will also see at the bottom there is a heading for the Provider Information Return, PIR. This is covered in more detail later in the training. CQC Pro is a self-assessment tool that allows you to record evidence against each of the key lines of inquiry, or CLOEs. CLOEs are criteria which, when taken together, provide a complete picture of compliance under each of the standards. You can see the associated CLOEs at any time by clicking on any of the standards. Each standard has many associated CLOEs, as we will see shortly, and you indicate your assessment of your compliance with the CLOEs by picking a colour from red, urgent action required, through amber, moderate action, yellow, minor action, to green, compliant. The colours you can see on this view group all those assessments together for a quick overview of the compliance position and indicate the lowest current compliance position of all CLOEs relating to that question. So, if you have assessed your service as being green against all questions apart from one, which you have assessed as being amber, the indicator colour will show amber, drawing your attention to the least compliant status. Hovering your mouse over the colour against a standard reveals a pie chart with a breakdown of the compliance across all of the CLOEs within each standard. We can see here that most of the CLOEs are actually assessed as being green, and perhaps 20% of them are assessed as yellow. The home screen indicator is amber because one or more of the CLOEs is assessed as amber, which in this case is the least compliant status. Please be aware that when you log in for the first time, no colours are shown, as all standards will default to grey. The right-hand side of the screen is called the Activity Pane. This gives you a view of your items becoming due for review within the next 4 weeks. Any overdue items are shown in red. The items are specific for each user on the system, so you will only see your activities. Click on any of the items to action them or to find out more. A magnifying glass signifies that evidence has been entered against a CLOE within the standard, and ticks indicate action plans. To see an immediate summary of evidence or action plans, click the magnifying glass for evidence or tick for action plans.